Imagine this, you're diving into the world of chess, eager to master those tricky openings and become the chess legend you have always dreamed of. But here's the thing, the chess universe can be a bit like a wild jungle. YouTube is bursting with videos, but they are scattered puzzles without a solution, and individual opening courses, they can feel like trying to put together a chessboard without knowing where the pieces go. So you're wandering through the YouTube maze, hoping to stumble upon that magical chess opening wisdom. But let's face it, it's like searching for a needle in a haystack. The videos are endless and each one adds a piece to the puzzle, but there is no map to put it all together. Then there are those individual opening courses. They promise a grand chess adventure, but the cost? Yikes! Plus, they often leave you with more questions than answers. But hold on, chess enthusiasts, what if I told you there is a way out of this chess maze? A shortcut to becoming a chess opening expert without burning a hole in your pocket or drawing in complex theories. Introducing the game changer, 10-day opening mastery. Think about this, a full, holistic opening repertoire both for white and black for a price of just a single opening course. No need to break the bank. This is your golden ticket to becoming a chess opening pro in just 10 days. No more drawing in endless theoretical variations. We are all about practical chess moves that you can actually use in your games. No more stretching your head. It's all about making chess fun and practical. Forget about those super complicated grandmaster moves that seem like they're from another planet. 10-day opening mastery focuses on what you need at your level, making each move a stepping stone to victory. Ever felt lost in the middle of a game not knowing the next move? Our course doesn't leave you hanging after the opening. We seamlessly guide you through middle game ideas and plans, ensuring you are never stranded on the chessboard. Once we cover a certain variation, you immediately see how you can apply it in a practical game. But wait, there is more! Enroll now and unlock a treasure trove of bonus videos. Dive deeper into the chess world and gain insights that go beyond the basics. Join our chess party, a private community where all your burning questions get answered daily. Connect with fellow chess enthusiasts, share strategies, and level up together. Learning is cool, but doing is even better. We have got almost 100 practical exercises to ensure you don't just learn but immediately apply your newfound chess wisdom in your games. We believe in our course so much that we are willing to take all the risk on our shoulders. Try the 10-day mastery course, and if it doesn't sparkle your chess genius, we will give you your money back, no questions asked. And here is a little extra magic for you. 10-day opening mastery isn't just a course, it's a lifelong companion on your chess adventure. Your enrollment ensures that all future updates are yours for free, forever, because we believe in growing together in the world of chess. Oh, my chess buddies, you have a choice. Do you continue the never-ending search through thousands of YouTube videos hoping to build a complete opening repertoire? Or do you take the leap, become an opening pro in just 10 days and transform your chess forever? But hold on, chess enthusiasts, here is an extra dose of excitement. For the first 100 eager chess minds ready to embark on this journey, we are offering an exclusive early bird offer. Secure your spot now and enjoy a whopping $200 discount. Yes, you heard it right, a golden opportunity to kickstart your chess adventure with extra savings. I will literally just cut off this part of the video once the offer is gone, so don't miss on this limited opportunity. Click the link in the description and start your transformation today. Your chess mastery awaits. Don't just think about it, make it happen.